Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. This is Oibu Games, and today we're going to be looking at Phaser as a part of our series on making quick and easy video games with open source code. Now, Phaser is a JavaScript HTML5 engine, and this puzzle game was a part of their examples on GitHub. So I'll leave a link for you guys at the end to check this one out. But all we're going to be simply doing is replacing the picture, like I've done here, with this awesome little turtle coin logo. So we'll have a look at the basic file structure that you're going to come across when using JavaScript games and how to do a simple mod. So you can see here these four folders. We've got assets, Phaser, index.html, and slidingpuzzle.js. So let me open this up in Atom for you here. You can see pretty standard HTML body. We've got a link to the phaser.min.js file, which is our actual game engine. And then in the body, a link to the slidingpuzzle.js, which is the game itself. So if we have a look at that JavaScript code here, that is new game variable, new board, piece sizes, and then the functions. So what happens when you click, is it next to an empty space? Is it going to move it? And here we have the Phaser min.js. This is the actual engine itself. I know it looks a bit hectic, but that's all the information that helps us make a game. And then here, the background image that we're going to be modding. So let's go into assets, go into image, and we'll see this bg.png image. I'm just going to open that up in GIMP. And there we go. Copy across my Oibu Games logo on top of the image in GIMP. This is probably not the best way to do it, but I find it the easiest way because we get to keep the same file name, we can export it to the same place, and it keeps the same file size. You have to remember everything inside the JavaScript file. It's going to be looking for bg.png, and it's going to be looking for it inside that assets image folder. And those pieces for the game board, they're set at a particular size. So all of the sizing needs to be right. So I've just exported it into our assets folder. And that's pretty much it. We're done. We can now open the HTML file in your browser of choice. And there we go. So I definitely encourage anyone out there who's interested. Little 5-minute project, get a picture, change it over, and make your own sliding puzzle game. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will catch you all next time.